This is John with WTI. And right here with me, I got with one of my essentials is this Evian water that is just a great peace of mind with me when it comes to knowing that the type of water that I'm drinking is safe. So from lately in on my environment, it's been a bit of a problem because the contamination and sometimes the water jugs that they sell around me is exposed to the sun. So all this plastic would affect the water. And the fact that this Evian water is nice, well packaged, and is high quality, it just great for me. And I love that the fact that this water has natural electrolytes is gonna add me some adding benefits like the electrolytes to help me to keep myself hydrated. Even if I'm just sitting at my desk or in the gym or I'm outside or doing anything, this guy here just comes in clutch and is convenient for me. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of